Hello and welcome. Welcome to the inside of pet number 40. So I looked around and, there's a lot of little chips in here. And finally, online, I found a thing at zimmers.net. And it's called the dynamicpet.pdf. And it has all kinds of things, but it says here the video rounds are the 2114 in brackets 6114 chips located at F7 and F8. These RAMs do not store the character to be displayed on the screen, but the address of that character sorted in the character generator ROM. Anyway, I just needed to figure out where they were. And indeed, there they are. Now, it's funny because, of course, I'm looking just for F8 or F7. Anyway, it says UF7 and UF8. So, there they are. Right there. So, one of them is unhappy, I believe. I do not have the machine on right now. And I'm not going to turn it on right now. Because I could. See, I have this rubber tripod thing. And it's in here, and it wouldn't make any difference. You know what? Fine. Oh, there is one thing, though. I guess it really doesn't make any difference. I did move the... I removed the cable that feeds the monitor because it was in the way of looking at the chips. Anyway, so I can't see what's on the screen right now, but that's okay. It's okay. It's all right. I'm going to leave it on for not that long. And just to see what I see, I'm going to take my finger. I'm going to touch it on this RAM chip, which is F8, and it doesn't feel very bad. And I'm going to touch it on F7. And try again with another finger. Well, like neither one of them is getting remarkably warm. I'm going to try with a different. I haven't been on all that long. But if it's like it's a weird failure here. Oh, dear. Let's see here. I'm going to try this finger. I may end up changing both of these. I'm just trying to see if there's anything here that would lead me to believe that it would be one or the other. And really, well, maybe F7 is a little warmer. I'll just turn the machine off. I'm going to put the cable back on the monitor thing, which, as you will soon see why I pulled it off. I'm going to turn the machine back on. And it comes up with the same. I'm just going to, while the machine is on, I'm going to just push on these chips to see if anything happens. And indeed, it makes no difference. It still looks much the same. The other thing that could be there's another chip over here. UF10. Let me look down and see. I'm just looking. Jumper. Aha, main logic assembly, parts cross-reference. Interesting. Very interesting. Lots of capacitors. I wonder if I go down. Aha. What is a U? Okay, sorry. What's a UF10? A UF10 is a 6316 character generator ROM. This is very handy. This Zimmers.dep. The file's called the dynamic pet.pdf. And there's a lot more stuff that goes into it, but this is handy. It is very handy. Indeed. So, anyway, the machine is still on. So there's always a possibility that this, oh, you can't see it over here. Who knows? There's always a possibility, but I still think it's a RAM thing. But of course, I will check the other one first because it's in a socket. It is. So, thanks for coming. We'll see you again soon. I'm going to turn this off and carry on with more explorations. And of course, 2114 chips can be found in an early VIC-20. I've saved many machines for that. One VIC-20 that smoked. Anyway, we'll see you. Bye for now.